Now it's time for Wattguard. Finn Christensen. Welcome to Ecosummit.
Thank you very much. Dankeschön. Thank you, Jan. So my name is Finn. I'm a Dane who runs a Swedish company. So we are trying to incorporate all details in Nordics in one go. I'm actually here this afternoon to talk to you about energy efficiency as a service. I'm sure we are all familiar with a situation like this. Environments that we have a lot of lighting going in retail environments or in factories and so forth. I think we all want to see a situation where we can keep it like this, keep the same light units, keep the light at the same quality, but take down the consumption by a huge amount. Wattguard has actually come up with a solution to do that. If we look at the numbers across the globe used yearly on the electricity consumption for lighting, which is the mid number here, it's huge, it's enormous, the challenge is enormous. Also because the CO2, the footprint that follows this, is dramatic. So why are we not addressing this by rolling out solutions just like that? Well, when we talk to our clients, they come up with 5 good reasons for why not. One is, of course, they're not willing or able to make huge investments to address the issue right away. Secondly, they don't really know whether new technologies can actually solve the solution for or do it for them. They don't want to compromise on the quality of the light they have. And some of them say, well, we are not able or willing to shut down our operation for a week or more to actually change the light units and so forth to make it more efficient. And finally, it's fine to save on the electricity bill, but what if our maintenance cost goes up? We're not willing to see that. So that's why Wattguard is a solution, because Wattguard is a combination of conventional lighting, existing units that you may have already. When you combine it with our system, we can actually provide you a 40% saving. So we take 40% out of the electricity consumption without compromising on the light quality. It's based on a technology that has been around for many, many years, well proven, well accepted, and well known as a stable technology. Also, we do this without investment, so the customers do not have to bring in the capex to get started on making big savings on their electricity bill. And also, do we, with this system, actually provide a longer lifetime of the light units, so the maintenance costs will actually go down. So now you might wonder, why doesn't everybody go for LED, which is what everybody is talking about and is very hyped as of today. LED for sure is a great technology. LED for sure will be the technology of the future. However, not in all situations LED is the most well-chosen solution. If we look to one side, we can see that LED, as of today, has a much better efficiency than conventional light systems. When we combine the conventional light systems with Wattguard system, we actually get to the same efficiency measure. However, when we switch to the other side of the picture, we see that in higher ceiling environments, LED has its challenges, which means that not in high ceiling buildings, you will be very well off with choosing LED because the light simply does not make it for you. That's why Wattguard looks at itself as the gap filler and the bridger to the situation in the future where LED has come to the development phase that we need. So the potential in the market is obviously huge, and just going to the lower number here on the chart, which is what we build up from our current experience in the markets that we are already operating, our target revenue based on that is $5 billion. And when we say based on that, we mean actually taking the starting point in the 450 installations we have done already in 4 markets with companies that you probably are all somehow familiar with. We have a strong model for this, and that's where the service comes into the picture, because we offer this on a rental basis. So the customer is actually offered a solution that he doesn't need to invest in upfront. And it also means that we have a quick cash conversion scheme, because we engage leasing companies, financing partners that actually go in and take over the invoicing and the credit risk, and we get the full rental amount upfront. The gross margins are great, and we have a recurring income after 5 years. So we're here to actually look for additional expansion capital. We already took in a bit more than 6 million euros and are looking for 5 additional million of euros in 3 buckets to accomplish new markets on one side and new products on the other side. Thank you very much.
Finn, just a quick question. What was your revenue last year?
1.5 million.
Okay, it sounds good. And you need 5 million venture capital.
Exactly.
Go and get it.
Thank you very much.
Okay.